There is a power outlet for small electrical devices such as cellular phones located in the center console box. If so equipped, there may also be a power outlet located on the center console below the heater and air conditioner controls. The power outlets in the vehicle work when the ignition switch is in the ACC or on position. Leaving a device connected to the power outlet with the ignition left in the ACC or on position can discharge the battery and the vehicle may not start. To access a power outlet, open the cap. Please see the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting the device to a power outlet.